going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new women's Air Jordan 4 Cayenne Purple. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start out with the normal Jordan 4 box. It's all black. They got a red Jumpman on the top that says your flight. You got your Jumpman symbol with the air on the side. Nothing on this side. Same cement bottom. But then we're going to get to the front of the box and it reads Women's Air Jordan Retro 4. And the colorway is Cayenne Purple and Safety Orange. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much nothing special. You got the red on the top. Don't see the stamp of approval, but quite sure it's on there. Then we got the same normal cream tissue paper with the red on the inside. Nothing spectacular with the box. But let's get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Women's Air Jordan Retro 4 Cayenne Purple. Alright. First of all, I just want to start off by just saying, wow. These right here, man. These are it right here. This is like, first of all, I like to say I usually don't wear Jordan 4s hotly because to me they're heavy on my foot. Maybe that's just me. But these right here, these were a must cop. After I saw these and I saw the materials, man, these were it right here. Let's go ahead and get into the aspects of the shoe so you can see these fine materials that's on this shoe. As you can see, you got this nice hairy suede going all over the whole shoe. Nice, I would call it, they call it Cayenne Purple, so we're going to say Cayenne Purple hairy suede going across the whole upper of the shoe. As you can see, the suede, when you move it from this side to this side, how it changes up, and it's like a light, and then it's like moves over. It's just showing that the quality of this material on the shoe. Very nice quality. Cayenne Purple, hairy suede going across the front of the toe of the shoe, all the way across the front of the shoe also. Come across the whole side of the shoe. You got that purple hairy suede, just very nice materials. As you can see, you got that real cage right here that's like the Cayenne Purple, also with a black background in the back of that. You got your normal Jordan 5 Jordan 4 little piece right here on the side with the little green eyelets right here on the side. Also, you still got a green eyelet right here on the side also of the shoe. We're gonna go to the back of the shoe. You got that nice little normal pull hip thing in the back of every Jordan 4 that's all black with your Jumpman symbol in the back of the shoe. Still got that hairy Cayenne Purple suede coming across the whole heel and sides to the back of the shoe also. Come across back to this side of the shoe, same, pretty much all hairy suede Cayenne Purple come across the side of the shoe. Cage right here in that nice Cayenne Purple material. Inside of the shoe is you got that Cayenne Purple is in the mesh material going around the ankle of the shoe right here. As you can see in the back of the tongue, you got your normal Air Jordan that's upside down, and you got that nice safety orange color in the back of the tongue. Inside you got that safety orange Jumpman symbol on the inside of the shoe. We're gonna come back down to the sides of the shoe. You got that normal air bubble that comes on mostly every Jordan 4 right here on the bottom of the shoe. Showing it still, you got that nice, I would say, green, military type green rubber coming across the sides of the shoe. Also with the white, you got the black coming across the front of the shoe in that rubber. That black and that green coming across the front of the shoe, going all the way around the side, same colors. Flipping to the bottom where you got that black rubber, green and white, and then you got that safety orange Jumpman on the bottom of the shoe. Like I just said, this shoe is just very nice. As you can see, you got this nice purple Cayenne Purple shoestrings right here with your safety orange Jumpman on the top of the tongue, and then you got that flight on the bottom of that. Overall, just very nice shoe. Very good quality. I don't see any quality control problems. Just everything is A1 with these shoes, and these, like I said, just a very, very, very nice shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Are you gonna try to go for them? They don't have a date that they're coming out in the U.S. yet. I was able to get these overseas. They came out on August 25th overseas, but in the U.S. we don't have a date yet. Right now it's showing that they've been pushed back to December, so I don't really know when they will be coming out, but we got them. So that's all that matters. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Are you gonna try to go for these when they do come out? Are you gonna try to get them in the aftermarket, which they are in the aftermarket, and the prices are not too bad. So if you really want to go ahead and get these early, I would say go ahead and try your GOAT. I wouldn't recommend StockX. I'm gonna say go with GOAT. You should be able to copy a pair for a nice reasonable price if you don't want to wait. But if you do want to wait, like I said, it should come out in December of this year, and then you'll be good to go. But this was the right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got that all cayenne purple suede, hairy suede coming across the whole upper of the shoe. Front of the toe box, hairy suede, purple, all the way across. You got the, as you can see, it comes with extra laces, a black pair of extra laces that's hooked on the shoe some kind of way. It's different. I'm used to the little baggie or something that they hooked onto it, but this time they just hooked them on the shoe. Hey, I ain't mad at it. All black shoelaces. And you got those purple cayenne laces right there. I think I'm gonna actually switch these out to the black laces. I think that'll make them pop a little bit more. Besides these purple laces, I mean the purple laces look nice, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go with these black laces. Y'all let me know down in the comments below, would you go with the black laces or would you keep the purple laces that's already in there? Or if you really want to bring it out, would you go and find you some safety orange laces to put in there and bring them out? Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about that. But either way, we're gonna keep on going across the side of the shoe. You still got that hairy suede purple coming across the side of the shoe with the cage. There's still that cayenne purple. Coming across to the back, you got that black Jumpman, same normal Jordan 4 hook. Inside of the shoe, like I said, you got that nice safety orange Jumpman on the inside of the shoe. You got an Air Jordan upside down in the back of the tongue of the shoe. Coming back across to this side, same hairy suede all the way across the shoe. Nice green and white rubber coming across the bottom of the shoe with that air bubble that's always on a Jordan 4. Flipping to the bottom where you still got that white, black, green rubber on the bottom of the shoe. Overall, very, very nice shoe. I know everybody is comparing these to the Travis Scott 4s for friends and family just because they're all purple, but to me, it doesn't really look the same, but I guess they're just going off of it because it's purple. That shoe was all leather. This shoe is hairy suede. And another thing about this shoe, this is a women's exclusive shoe. Thank you, Jumpman. Y'all doing this woman right this year. So for you fellas, if you are going for these, I think they are going to be in extended sizes, so you should be good to go if you are going to try to cop them, because we all know y'all going to try to cop these. But for y'all ladies, get your normal size that you wear in any Jordan, and you should be good to go because they do fit true to size. So normal size for me, 7.5 in women. I got a 7.5 in these, and they fit just right. So size and wise, true to size, and you should be good to go. That's pretty much all I got for y'all today. But this was a Jordan 4, women's Jordan 4, cayenne purple. If y'all love 3D, y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Are you gonna go for them? Are you gonna pass on them? Is it too much purple for you? Just let me know. Let me know what y'all thinking down in the comments below. But yeah, if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Hit that like button. Like. You're watching my video anyway, so you might as well hit that like button. Get my video out there a little bit more. And if you go to Instagram, you can find me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. That's where I post most of my fits or just any other little thing on Instagram. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.